what's a fair gold-silver ratio that you think could be sustained in the future? And by the way, as you recall, post-2011, this gold-silver ratio started to trend back up again as gold became more favored relative to silver.
Exactly. So, look, if you look back at the last, say, 20, 25 years, the average in the ratio is pretty high. It's kind of moved higher over the last several decades. Frankly, it's been closer to about 55, 60. What we do see, if we look historically, is that when the ratio starts to drop meaningfully the way it has lately, it tends to overcorrect, meaning that it doesn't just go back to sort of average of where it's been over the last few decades. It tends to go much lower. So frankly, at this point, I would expect the ratio, not tomorrow, but that we're not that far off, but it could go to somewhere like 40 or perhaps even lower. And like you said, in 2011, it was at 30. So we don't even have to go to that level to get to a lower level than where we are now. And if gold stays where it is, that suggests potentially even higher silver prices. But in terms of what's sustainable, frankly, I think we could probably be in an area of, over an extended period of time, somewhere like 50, 55. And, if gold stays where it is and silver rises, a 50-to-1 ratio at $5,000 gold is $100 silver, right? 50-to-1 on $5,000 gold. So I believe that, after a correction in the silver price, we're going to either move sideways for a while or start climbing again. Either way, on balance, I believe we are moving higher.